Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock the application on Poco C65. Okay guys, so yeah, for the security and privacy of your application, so you can lock your application with a password so that others will not easily open the application without any permission. Okay guys, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, and first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can scroll down until you find the menu apps. And after that, on the bottom you can see there's apps lock like this, and then now you can turn it on. And after that, you can create the password and then click next, and here you can choose which apps that you want to lock guys. And if you're done, you can click use app lock, and then here you can choose again what application that you want to lock. And yeah, I think that's enough. I will add this one, and now let's try together. Okay, I will open the application, and here the app is locked guys, and you can open it by inserting the password. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to lock application on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching.